My name is Ken Parker. I'm the Wildland Fire Specialist with the Georgia Forestry Commission, and today I'd like to talk to you about our Georgia Forestry Commission Public Viewer. It's a way for the public to be informed about smoke, permits, restrictions, and wildfires that may be impacting their area. To access the GFC Public Viewer, you'll first go to gatrees.org, and currently we are highlighting the Public Viewer here on the blue section on the right, but if it is not there, you'll go to Fire Prevention and Suppression, center column under Wildfire, you'll see GFC Public Viewer. When you click on the Public Viewer, your landing page will be for wildfires. If you zoom in, you'll be able to see the different categories of wildfires. These red ones are currently active fires. Here's one we'll click on. It shows you that it's currently 510 acres. It shows that it's 90% contained, and it shows the location. So you'll be able to see, are there active wildfires in your area? The gray symbols are prior fires, and here you can see a fire that was 45.9 acres and it's 100% contained. We have a legend over here on the left, so you'll be able to see, based on the color of those fire emblems, what the status of that fire is. You also see the green circles with numbers in them. Those are the air quality monitors around the state, and those numbers and colors over here on the legend you can see are the AQI. AQI is air quality index. So green means good air quality. You may have heard code orange or code red. That means that the air quality is poor in those areas. And so you'll be able to use that legend to be able to determine what the air quality in your community is. In the top left, we have some tools for smoke management and planning burns. Top is the air quality index. That is where we're pulling the information from for our map. Next is the current fire danger rating map that you'll be able to look at and help you determine, is it a good day to burn or not? And you can see that the potential for fire spread was high in these areas. Control issues may be high in these areas due to weather factors like low humidities and high winds. And then if you're planning to burn tomorrow, we have tomorrow's forecasted fire danger. You can see the difference in these two maps. The first map was prior to a rain event. This map was after the rain event, and this is the forecasted. So in general, today would be a good day to burn if the fuels were good. So this is a great planning tool. Last, we have the Smoke Ready Toolbox. This is for communities and private landowners, individuals wanting to know more about smoke management, smoke in their communities, how to deal with smoke, what are some of the health concerns, what are some of the things that you can do to protect yourself when there's smoke in the air. Another way to get fire information is down here on the bottom, you see a summary. This will give you the total number of incidents, the total number of acres, current number of restrictions, fire information, the name, the status, size, containment, county. So this is just a summary page of all of the fires, all the information that you're seeing on the map. The next tab that we're going to look at is the Restrictions and Permits tab. This page is default to show the permits and the current PM 2.5 readings, the particulate matter. If you need to turn them off or on, over here on the right-hand side, you can just click on them and they'll be removed, or you can add them back. These green dots with no numbers are permits, and if you'll zoom in and click on them, you'll be able to see what is being burned. In this case, it's hazard reduction or an understory burn and 75 acres. And again, we have the AQI readings on this page so that you'll be able to see what the air quality is for the area. We also have the NOAA HMS smoke detection, and that is usually updated around 2:30, 3 o'clock in the afternoon. You can highlight that, and that is satellite-based smoke detection. So you can see, by satellite, where's the smoke detected. Or use the wind direction tab, and are you downwind of several large burns? Is that where your smoke is coming from? Or could it be that it's being transported from well across the state from a large burn over there? The wind indicator will help to tell you, where is that smoke traveling from and going. We also have smoke forecast. This is just what it says, is a forecast. So this will give you an idea of where there may be concentrations of smoke. The last tab is the restrictions tab. Maybe you're thinking about calling in to get a permit, and before you call, you can go to this tab, you can go to your county, click on it, and it'll bring up, is there a restriction? In this county, Macon Taylor, they have a restriction on today for land clearing, storm debris, agriculture, land clearing, and silviculture due to hazardous fire danger. We hope that the Georgia Forestry Commission Public Viewer is a helpful tool to you to determine, is it a good day to burn? Can I burn? Where's the smoke coming from? If you have any further questions, you can reach out to the local Georgia Forestry Commission office for more information.